Okay, hello again guys. Okay, let's continue modeling the sniper. Okay, now we need to make the front part of the sniper. So let's shift A, add a cube. Let's take it down, scale it up more, I think. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's apply rotation and scale. Let's go to edit mode, edge selection, select this edge and this one, shift this one, left click. Go to bevel and make a bubble like this. Let's go to option here before I press anything and increase the segment to 5. Yeah, 5 is a good number. Okay, now let's go to face selection by pressing 3, or you can press it from here. Select this face and move it like this here. Okay, go to object mode, go to object origin to geometry, and now let's move it a little bit up like this and scale it down. Let's scale it down a little bit more. Okay, let's scale it like this. Okay, nice. Okay, now let's make shade smooth for it. Shade smooth, or to smooth from here. Okay, now apply again, rotation and scale. Go to, by pressing tab to edit mode, face selection, press I here like this. Now press E to extrude. Okay, now we need to extrude again by pressing another E, scale S like this, and again extrude. Okay, like this, nicely done. Okay, now let's go to edit mode, edge selection, select this edge. As I teach you, press Q if you add it to quick favorite, or you can go from select and select loops and edge loop to select the loop. And now go to edge and mark sharp, and do as well for this one. Sorry, mark sharp. Okay, that's good. Okay, now so go to edit mode again, select this edge loop, and let's make a bevel here a little bit. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's hide the grid. You can do it from here and just turn it off the floor. Okay, now we need to add cylinder to make the front part. Let's go to option, yeah, 26, good number. Let's move it. You can use the shortcut R for rotation, X for X-axis, and 90 degrees. Let's make shade smooth for it, auto smooth from here. Let's move it a little bit so. Okay, now let's go to edit mode, press face selection, select this, the front face. Let's move it like this maybe, and extrude S to scale it inside like this. Extrude again, and now another extrude, scale it up like this. Okay, extrude again, and more. Okay, like this. Now let's extrude again, scale it down, and press I and extrude inside. Okay, like this, nicely done. Okay, now we need to add edge loop cut, sorry, one here and one here. Like we need to add two. Press here and scroll in the middle mouse. Sorry, Control R. Sorry, Control R, shortcut, and scroll. What problem do I have? Okay, let's put one here, and let's change the number to 2. Let's scale it to, not just scale, it's not about scale, it's about just make it far away from each other. So let's make it like this. And now let's go to face selection, select any face, Control Alt to make a face looping selection. Okay, now we need to extrude this along normals, so we need to go from here, go to extrude and along normals, extrude it like this maybe. Yeah, okay, this is nice. Okay, let's go to edge selection, but before, let's go to object mode, apply rotation and scale. Let's go back to edit mode, edge selection, select this edge loop, and shift any edge here and edge loop here, and let's make a little bit bevel here like this. Nicely done. Okay, let's make mark sharp here. Let's make the edge sharp. Let's edge loop select here and this one, and let's go to edge and mark sharp. Yeah. Okay, let's make it here too. Edge loop, edge. Okay, that's nice. Now we need to add another cylinder to make the front part. 26, nice number. Okay, let's move it. RX 90 degrees to rotate it 90 degrees by x-axis. Scale it down. Okay, let's make shade smooth, auto smooth, like the same thing. Let's go to edit mode, face selection, select this face, move it like this. Okay, that's enough, I think. Okay, now we need to extrude here. Press E and S to extrude like this. And now another extrude like this. Again, do the same thing. Press E, extrude, then S to scale. Like this. Again, another extrude on the front. Sorry. Okay, like this. Now we need to make another extrude. S to scale. Now we need to press I to instead face. Like this maybe. And extrude inside. Okay, now let's go to object mode before we start editing. Let's make apply rotation and scale. Let's go back to edit mode, edge selection. Let's select this edge here, edge loop. Let's make a bevel here. Nice. Okay, let's make here too, edge loop. Let's make bevel. And also we need here Okay, let's go to edit mode here. Let's add by Ctrl R another loop cut here in the middle, scale it, and also need one here just to make it nicer and smoother. Okay guys, always don't forget to save your file project, like just in case, like always have to save it before you close, before you do anything. Okay, that's it for this video guys, see you in the next one.